Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Raquelle from Barbie in a very secret and Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. The outfit will look like this and I'm going to show you how I made this outfit in Dress to Impress. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose all these hairstyles and you can add these bangs and then you can color it with this color for the hair. Okay, this is for the color code and you can put on this earring and this necklace in a purple color. For this necklace, you can choose the gold too and this one and color it with this purple color. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the changing room and I'm going to wear the corset from the Madoka set. I'm going to wear the top from the Madoka set and the top is this one, and then we're going to change the toggle. You can remove the undershirt, details, lace, bow, and also the gem. Okay, and then we're going to color it with the purple color. Okay, for the color you can choose this one for the first selection, and for the second selection just leave it like that, and then we're going to make it glitter. Okay, and the next one I'm going to choose this heel and I'm going to color it with this purple color for the first selection, the second selection, and for the third selection I'm going to color it the same, and for the fourth selection I'm going to make it this purple, and also for the fifth selection. Okay, and then I'm going to select the skirt from here. Wait, let me go to this area and then I'm going to choose this one and I'm going to color it with the purple color and make it glitter. Okay, and sorry guys, sometimes my glitter is not working, but if the glitter can appear, it will be so beautiful. Okay, the next one, I'm going to go to the VIP room and then I'm going to select this dress, but I'm going to change the toggle. I'm just going to choose the skirt only. Okay, this one, and again I'm going to apply the same purple color and then make it glitter. All right, and the next one I'm going to choose the skirt and I'm going to change the toggle, make it toggle okay, make it toggle 5, and then you're going to color it with the same color. Okay, and again you're going to make them glitter. Okay, it's done, and then I'm going to move to this area and I'm going to choose the skirt and I'm going to make it purple. Just make it the same purple and again make it glitter. Okay, and the next one I'm going to choose necklace from here. I'm going to choose this necklace and I'm going to color it with the purple color, this one, and I'm going to combine it with the light purple. All right, and I'm going to put on the wings. I'm going to combine two wings, this one and also this one, and then we're going to color it pink and also purple. For this one I'm just going to make it this purple, okay, like this guys, and for the second wings, this one, I'm going to make it pink for the first selection, and for the second selection I'm going to make it purple like this. Okay, and the wings will look like this, and the last one guys, I'm just going to go to this area and I'm going to choose this accessory and I'm going to change the toggle. I'm going to choose type 2. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Raquelle from Barbie in a very secret interest impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.